Hey, what go on? I'm an introduction video this in a part 2. See? Alright. So, in my video them what me I go make, if you expect me to do some foolishness. So whole heap of fool sitting, you see? Do some pure madness. Well, if I that me feel like, alright? Me I go make some whole heap of sitting like say, me I go comment pan me see on the news if me feel like it. Me I go just make something if me feel like it. If me see something on YouTube and me want to say something about it, me I go say it if me feel like it. Alright? So, apart from that, go on my head, me want you say something. You see, my head ball after 7 months from January go July. I grow me here, you know. And then me shave it last Saturday. It's Saturday July 11, 2009. Alright? That the day me shave my head. And me did start it last time me did trim it. I did January 1, and then me start growing after that. On New Year's Day, me trim me here and say, me now go trim me until in the summer. Eh? And look on my head now. You should have seen it before. Eh? May I tell you? Look, wicked different, not true. May I tell you, virgin? Different somebody this. Eh? Yo. When me did shave my head and then me go looking at one mirror. Say, Bomba, the wood youth, yeah. Say, brethren, give me back me here. No, star. Oh, you see me acne too? Yeah. Puberty is a bitch. Take 1 box in my face and look here now. Kuya. Which party bomb there? You see this here? Eh. The one hair root I try come out, star. Then if about 2 months now and can't come out. Say, Jesus, me I figure Dr. Finn fi take out this here. Yeah. Puberty is something else. Me I tell you, man. So, anyways, in my other video, them expect madness. Well, if I that me feel like, enough time me do fool sitting, so me keep on assessing. Alright? Later.